What's up guys, I'm Jevera here. So I means I'm moving away. This is means I'm now start to find right here. And this means I get this on the right. Okay, multiple performance wireless handset, right? It's means I now right. It's just means I get so wrap suit the one right here. So we have so to find now, okay? Let's go unboxing time. Just moving on, right? That's moving right downstairs. Look at this. There we go. Look at that. Do this. I cut that, okay? Oh, there we go. Alright. Got this on one, okay? Oh, see that. Here it is. We got the icon here, set that now, right? So I was gonna unbox that. Alright, okay. See this part of it. Oops. There we go. Are you ready, Sada? Ta-da! See that? That's Moonlight. We are to the wireless headset, okay? It's Moonlight. So how to listen to this move on my headset, okay? This is the moon right here. So when I start from right here, okay? So listen to that to the movement. This is long tap. Right here, this is long tap. You're right, moon, right? This is means I know that. This is very cool. Now what? That thing. This is huge. Right there. And there I have the mirror, okay? So you have to turn it on there. How do you turn it on there? So, okay, there you go. Let's pop it out.
Adapter mode. Pairing. Microphone off.
I see this here, okay? Right here. So we have started the video. What's this mean? Look at that thing, okay? So we have to get this, okay? Look at that thing, okay? I just up there. There you go now. Okay, let's see. Oh, there we go. Alright. See that? This is the USB. This mono white. And then the cable this, okay? I hear you one more time. This is so huge that, alright? This is the cable of this. And then we have here. Okay, you just stand moving right. Go to the tab, that one. Okay, let's go here. Another side then. There we go. Alright, there it is. So we have this here. Just plug it in and that. I just want to this one, okay? I see one now. Right here. There we go. So here's the move. Right here what's that the move? Okay, so ready for the moon, right? Okay, so the movie right now, right? It's just meantime now. When I start to find, right? It's meantime now. We're here. Okay, so listen this, okay? The test are down. Ready to test. And then repeat the test. Right here. Okay, repeat the test of the sun, okay? Okay, let's start to the moon. Here you go. Letter to 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there we go. See that? Right? This is the sound okay, right? Alright, there is. So let's say happy birthday to me, right? So happy birthday to Jevera. Let's say happy birthday to Jevera, right? I'll show you the final moment, right? Just to me that, right? Thanks for watching. I'm see you in the next one, and peace out.